If your Pelonis heater keeps turning off by itself, it usually isn't a defect, but a built-in safety feature doing its job. Most modern heaters automatically shut down when they detect overheating or when the unit tilts from its normal position. Dust buildup inside the vents can block airflow and cause the heater to get too hot, triggering the protection system. In other cases, the internal tip-over switch may activate if the heater is slightly tilted or placed on an uneven surface. Fortunately, these problems are usually easy to fix with a few quick checks and simple maintenance. Step 1. Turn off the heater and let it cool down completely before checking anything. Step 2. Use a vacuum or soft brush to clean dust from the air vents and grills. Step 3. Place the heater on a flat, stable surface so the tip-over switch doesn't trigger. Step 4. Ensure there is at least 3 feet of open space around the heater for airflow. Step 5. If it still shuts off, check the power outlet and cord or contact support for repair.